Hello friends, welcome back to MLT Question World. Today we are going to discuss some important MCQs of medical laboratory exams. You can watch the previous videos from playlist, and if you are watching without subscribing, please do subscribe the channel. Question number 1. Dehemoglobinization is associated with option A thick smear, option B thin smear, option C impression smear, option D wet smear. The right answer is option A, thick smear. Dehemoglobinization is done for thick smear and it is used for mass detection programs of malaria and filaria. Question number 2. New methylene blue or NMB is used for the detection of option A, WBC, option B, RBC, option C, reticulocyte. New methylene blue is used for the detection of which of the following cells? The right answer is option C, reticulocyte. New methylene blue is used for the detection of reticulocyte. New methylene blue is a supravital stain. We can use brilliant chrysal blue also. Question number 3. The protein coat of a virus that encloses the genetic material. Option A, peplomers. Option B, capsomers. Option C, virion. Option D, capsid. Which of the following is the protein coat of a virus that encloses its genetic material? The right answer is option D, capsid, where peplomers are the spikes and capsomers are the subunits of capsids and virion is the extracellular infectious viral particle. Question number 4. Enterobius vermicularis. Which of the following is Enterobius vermicularis? Option A, roundworm. Option B, pinworm. Option C, whipworm. Option D, threadworm. The right answer is option B, pinworm. Pinworm is also called as seedworm. Enterobius vermicularis is pinworm or seedworm. Here, roundworm is Ascaris lumbricoides, whipworm is Trichuris trichura, and the threadworm is Strongyloides stercoralis. Question number 5. Multiple ring forms are seen in option A, Plasmodium falciparum, option B, Plasmodium vivax, option C, Plasmodium malariae, option D, Plasmodium ovale. The right answer is option A, Plasmodium falciparum. Multiple ring forms are seen in Plasmodium falciparum. Question number 6. Which of the following is not a nuclear fixative? Option A, Carnoys, option B, Chambys, option C, Clark's, option D, Fleming's. The right answer is option B, Chambys fixative. Chambys fixative is a cytoplasmic fixative and all the others are nuclear fixatives. Carnoys, Chambys, Clark's and Fleming's are all together called as cytological fixatives. Question number 7. The commonly used fixative in electron microscopy. Option A, formalin. Option B, glutaraldehyde. Option C, ethyl alcohol. Option D, acetone. Which of the following is commonly used as the fixative in electron microscopy? The right answer is option B, glutaraldehyde. Question number 8. The best urine preservative for formed elements. Option A, formalin. Option B, HCl. Option C, thymol. Option D, toluene. The right answer is option A, formalin. The best urine preservative for formed elements or sediments is formalin. Question number 9. Amorphous urates are seen in option A, alkaline urine, option B, acid urine, option C, neutral urine, option D, none. In which of the following urine specimens we can see amorphous urates? The right answer is option B, acid urine. Question number 10. High volume of urine is associated with option A. Diabetes insipidus, option B. Diabetes mellitus, option C. Pyelonephritis, option D. Glomerulonephritis. In which of the following conditions urine volume will be high? The right answer is option A. Diabetes insipidus. Question number 11. The most common specimen for intestinal parasitic infection. Option A. Urine, option B. Blood, option C. Stool, option D. Sputum. The most common specimen used for intestinal parasitic infection. The right answer is option C. Stool. Stool is the most common specimen used for the detection of intestinal parasite infection. Question number 12. High values of CSF protein are detected in option A. Bacterial meningitis, option B. Viral meningitis, option C. Purulent meningitis, option D. Tuberculous meningitis. In which of the following conditions high values of CSF protein is seen? The right answer is option A. Bacterial meningitis. Question number 13. Synovial fluid is found around option A. Knee, option B. Wrist, option C. Shoulder, option D. All the above. The right answer is option D. All the above. Synovial fluid is found around knee, wrist and shoulder. Question number 14. Aspiration of peritoneal fluid is called option A. Paracentesis, option B. Amniocentesis, option C. Thoracentesis, option D. Arthrocentesis. Aspiration of peritoneal fluid is called paracentesis. The right answer is option A. Paracentesis. Here, amniocentesis is the aspiration of amniotic fluid, thoracentesis is for pleural fluid and arthrocentesis is for synovial fluid. Question number 15. Plasma cells are formed from option A. RBC, option B. Platelet, option C. Plasma, option D. Lymphocyte. The right answer is option D. Lymphocyte. Plasma cells are formed from B lymphocytes. Question number 16. Scavenger cell is option A. Monocyte, option B. Lymphocyte, option C. Plasma cell, option D. Platelet. Scavenger cell is also called as option A. Monocyte. The right answer is monocyte. Monocyte is also known as scavenger cell. Question number 17. Cell associated with destruction of helminths. Option A. Basophil, option B. RBC, option C. eosinophil, option D. Platelet. Destruction of helminths is associated with which of the following blood cells? The right answer is eosinophil. In helminthic infections, eosinophil count will be high. Question number 18. Erythrocyte is also called as option A. Reticulocyte, option B. Lymphocyte, option C. Polychromatic erythroblast, option D. Polychromatic erythrocyte. The right answer is option C. Polychromatic erythroblast. Erythrocyte is also called as polychromatic erythroblast or polychromatic normoblast. Question number 19. Normal shape of red cells are maintained by which of the following protein? Option A. Spectrin, option B. Albumin, option C. Fibrinogen, option D. Globulin. The right answer is option A, spectrin. Normal shape of red cells are maintained by spectrin. Question number 20. A red cell surface possesses negative charge due to the presence of option A, hemoglobin, option B, spectrin, option C, sialic acid, option D, stroma. Red cells possess negative charge due to the presence of sialic acid in red cells. The right answer is option C, sialic acid. Friends, today we are winding up. You can watch the previous videos from playlist, and if you are watching without subscribing, please do subscribe the channel, press bell button, then only you will get the notifications on time. Thank you.